everybody, welcome back to this video, and I have no idea what to say because my brother made up this idea of making a video about Thomas the Tank Engine and his truck. Okay, well, let's just get started now. Come on. Take your Big Mac time. Now we're going to do wars. Who will win? First, we got Armor Thomas versus Tornado Thomas. Well, whoever falls off the track first loses.
No, why would you do that? Why? It's not even your base. Okay, what's his name? Netpose? Okay, he's the worst.
I think we're gonna have to call this a redo.
Wait, this would be the most ridiculous skill I would ever get if we pull this off. I've got a feeling we're gonna get chased. Oh my goodness, no way. No way. No way. Go, go, go. Come on. We've got a blood rot. Pocahontas, Elefanto. What's this? No, they were too busy fighting over there.
Oh.
We snuck over and stole it. Also, this person's kind of just
Armor Thomas wins.
This base has got 5 seconds left, so we've got to track it.
Okay, next up,
We're going to try to be sneaky. We're going to try to be very sneaky here.
whatever this guy's name is, versus Armor
And
Thomas.
then we can sit. No. Right, guys, do sit that. Basically, all that we need is this one
Okay.
Guzini, and then we are chilling.
Oh, we got
then we are massively chilling. Oh, okay, guys.
This guy versus Armor.
I don't know. Let's run over all my tracks. I think it'll be okay. Come on. This must be
A
this must be
draw.
Yes.
Gonna have to redo that.
Okay, we eventually got it. And
No.
Look at all the tracks.
Armor Thomas wins.
You
are out.
So,
No, it's
let's go ahead and do
Rebecca
the Should actually
versus
do that.
Armor
We've got a lot
Thomas.
better teams today. Let's go ahead and build up 1 billion. Whew, that was intense, that rebirth. Alright, we are really close here. Let's just do another quick collection.
No. Okay, go.
Oh my goodness, right. The upstairs guys should go ahead and give us
Okay.
a look here. Let's go ahead and, this
Oh.
Blood Moon guy has
Come
been so
on, Armor.
good. Like, really good. Here we go. We have got our
They're
billion.
both still on the
Again,
track.
that's what hours to go ahead
Okay,
and do.
we're gonna have to redo this
I
one.
say hours. It's probably the same speed as the last one, but we're not spending so that was really nice. So let me quickly go ahead and roll this stuff over off of the bottom of the Guzini, and then we'll go ahead and get our
And
this minute might take a while, so let me just take a
Armor
quick photo.
Thomas
And luckily for once, we are
loses.
actually next in this base, because
Now.
every single time I seem to do this transfer over, it always gives me the furthest away base. Alright, this one shouldn't take too long.
By the
but
way,
I
we
might
have
actually
another
to sell
Armor
some of my
Thomas
good guys in this
that
house.
we're
This
gonna
might be
face
good.
against Rebecca.
Yeah,
So
okay.
Rebecca
That's
versus Armor
but it doesn't
Thomas
really matter that
wins.
much. Okay, let's just double check we have put it
Wow, that was fast.
Okay,
The grand finale.
This is good because this
We've
is
got
one component and the all seeing
Knight
century.
Thomas
Okay, there it is.
versus Rebecca.
Oh, guys, this is actually good because for the next one, all that we need is a Pocahontas Elefanto, Chef, and we need how much? 3 billion. Oh my goodness. You know what? I might not even need and then for the last
Wait,
bit,
it wasn't even up.
very
Well, I guess Knight Thomas is the champion.
I should
We can actually use this real quick.
Let me go down below in the comments. What is your best skill you've had in this game? Have you guys stolen Bring Up Guns like me? Have you guys
See what you guessed,
stolen
and
secrets? Or do
he's
you
the
guys
winner.
just like to hide in private servers? Alright, and this is the last one that we're going to go ahead and move over. So let's go ahead. This is and
Okay.
look at this. And you guys can just see how much money this Pocahontas Elefanto is doing. Well, I say you can, but look. 40 million just for the tank.
Oh,
These two Bring Up
Axel,
Guns.
Axel.
Okay.
Okay, I hope you guys subscribe and like the channel, and bye.